So if you're looking for an opportunity to make a lot of money with a very minimum risk, this is one of the best videos you can watch. And we're gonna explain it very simply in a way that gonna make sense in like a minute or two. So let's just get straight into it. So BC Game basically is offering $10,000 up to 200 users in the ranking. What we basically supposed to do is to place a bet on the NBA. They already had round one, so this is round two. It's perfect time to get into it, and we'll explain why. The only thing that might be difficult is maybe get into VIP 14 if you never sign up to it. But it's very doable, and there are many ways to get into it. But if you're VIP 14 or more, it's the best thing the best thing that you can get. I mean, seriously, I'm just going to show you why. So, if you're looking at the final ranking list, it's open here. This is round number one. There were only 12 participants out of 200 possible spots. And look at number 12, only 4.55 points, 5.4 points. How do you get points? For instance, if you're risking let's say you're risking $100 and the NBA has to be more than 1.8. For instance, in the total 1.9, so you win 190. So less your stake, you get 90 points. So that's something you can do. Now, that's all the required from you to do. Now they're saying that edging will get you disqualified immediately, but nothing stops you from edging by using another website. The only obstacle here that the winning selection must be with PC Game. So try to make your prediction that the selection that you like more is going to be with PC Game and the edging selection is going to be with another website. So for instance, you bet $10 with BC Game on 1.9 or 1.95 and you bet 10 on 1.95 with another provider. So basically, you are risking $20 and the only thing you're losing out of it is 50 cents. Because again, you're betting 10 here and 10 there. You're winning 19.5 for sure, minus the 20 that you risk. You risk 50 cents, but you are almost guaranteed to get into the top 200. So you're guaranteed to make $10 here. And if you're risking more, let's say you do it with $100, you have a little bit more money. It's fine. So in this case, you're risking $5. But the only thing you're doing here is risking $5. In the worst case, your selection is not going to be a winning selection. Then you're not going to get any points in NBA Fever number 2, but you still have 3 and 4 to try. Look at the final ranking. There's only 12 users here. Nothing else. It's amazing. So, like you have what 100 88 spots for you to grab 50, $75, $100. It's literally risk-free money. If like so the next round is going to be Phoenix against Los Angeles Lakers. It's going to be on March 23. You have to submit it at least 2 hours before the event, so it has to be by March 23 midnight UTC time zone. And they always say this, you have to double and triple check before you submit because you cannot edit it. Okay, you put your email here and your BC game user ID number, your username, the ticket number. Again, you only have one time to submit the form, but once you submit it, that's it. So we're talking about what? Risking 50 cents, $5 if you have deep pockets, you want to risk $50 with $1,000 bets. I mean, by all means, go for it. But you might you might risk $50 in order to win $1,100. So it's a very nice promotion. I mean, you have almost nothing to lose and everything to gain. So we cannot go to the basic game website like and part of restriction in the video, but you can see a button for the NBA Fever. Like you can see this thing on the website, and the instructions are very clear. So by all means, go for it. I mean, you have only this next week, and you can participate. And yeah, you risk it's literally making money for free. I mean, the chances that you're gonna lose are so slim. I mean, chances that we're gonna see 200 people here at the moment doesn't seem like it. In fact, look at the number round number one. There were so many invalid tickets. You see, all these invalid tickets, wrong details, wrong event, or they did something for less than $5, or this one is lost. It has to be a winning selection again, but the number of participants in total was barely 200 people here, and most of them were actually submitting even the wrong events. So just showing you that you have a potential to make really nice uh, revenue from this one. It's literally like a sort of a promotion that's calling for everyone to grab some free money, sort of. If you like this video, uh, sorry, you can go to free Bitcoin. You can BC Game NBA Fever. You can use this promo code BC Game NBA Fever. And if you haven't signed up to the site, by all means, please, if you free Bitcoin or any of our other faucets, you're probably going to see the BC Game banners or at least the BC Game logo here. Then just click on it, and we appreciate if you sign up under us. And if you like this video, please share, like, subscribe, and let us know if you'd like to see more videos like these that helping you make free crypto. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye.